Hey guys, welcome to this update, and I'm sorry that I didn't live stream anything during the weekend, but I was busy, went on a hiking trip and just spent some quality time with the missus. But in the afternoons and late evenings, I got around to doing some work on the Panzer III, and as you see, it's done. It's all built up, it's ready for primer, it's ready for paint. All of the construction process is done. This is not glued in place in the back. I can still take this off just like the other stowage. The turret bin is glued in place, but the rest can still be disassembled and taken off, and I'll try and move this so you guys can actually see this from all the angles. I had some Easy Metal Link winter tracks left over that I used for add-on tracks to make it look as similar to the one on the picture. I do not have a ball mount machine gun in yet because I'm still thinking of whether or not I want to have a canvas cover over it. The winter tracks went on like a treat, those are the magic tracks. I really like the look of this without the fenders. This looks so mean, badass. The grills for the air intake got here today from Eduard. I glued them down. They were supposed to go with the Zvezda kit, but I still like the way this looks. I'm still quite happy with the dimensions. They are a bit off. They are like a couple of millimeters too short, but who cares? I don't really. And yes, this was a treat to build. Really like the build. There you go, the big resin stowage block in the back that looks really impressive, and it looks so mean, right? I think this looks so great, and this is going to look so awesome once it's painted. I can't wait. But I will have to wait a bit because I want to build the Panzer IV before I start painting, because I want to paint them at the same time, thus just making it easier, cleaning time for airbrush, what have you. So yes, but like I said, Panzer III built, now complete. I have a couple of other builds on the bench, on the go right now, that I might finish before I get to painting this. I have a Stuk 3 still sitting there, and I have the Panzer III for the Curse Group build, but that's almost done. So yeah, I've been busy, and I will be busy for the next couple of weeks, because I need to take advantage of the fact that I now have the time to do something here, and that I have time to spend on modeling. So yes, I will take a couple more pictures of this, add them as a slideshow to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys hopefully on a live stream on a Panzer IV. So for now, this is home modeling. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. And always remember, the force is with you. Bye guys.